Hi, it's me, Psycho. This time the topic is no one can stop the life force. Okay. Our primordial desire is to manifest our true selves through our bodies, minds, and the hearts. The life force flows and vibrates through our bodies and all that is. It manifests with constant changes, creation, and rebirthing. This brings greater awareness of ourselves. This is the power to create our life and the world. Manifestation of ourselves comes together with changes. Therefore, no one can stop changes. In other words, these changes are about allowing us to embody our natural selves rather than forcing them with great effort. However, the invaders did not have a life force but desperately wanted to own it. Even though they tried to capture it, they could only access a tiny part, a snapshot. Even if they accessed the small part, as soon as they wanted to own it, the aliveness of the small part disappeared. What they captured was already dead. They could never own the life force. Because they could only capture the tiny dead part, the system and the structure they built did not change, grow, or learn. They just repeated the same survival game throughout history based on the snapshot of our creations. There was no change and creation in the world they and we co-created. Owning is trying to capture the life force and to stop our never-ending manifestation with changes and creation. However, it is impossible, and they knew this. They knew they could not stop the fact that we continue to change. Therefore, what they could only do was influence your minds to believe their created illusion, which is the concept of ownership. They were powerful only in the realm of the illusions, and we believed in their illusions and volunteered to co-create the world with them. Therefore, we can also stop co-creating the world by letting go of the belief. It is our choice. We don't need to follow the belief. Thank you for listening and see you in another section.